Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you how to make a completely free thumbnail. I know that I am a small YouTuber that has struggled to find completely free websites that have everything I need and, you know, are the right size, all of that jazz. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So what I'm using is the website Canva. It's like Canvas without the S, and they have all these really cool designs. It's completely free. You can pay, but as you can see here, you can pick YouTube thumbnail or YouTube channel art, and they will have the exact pixel that you need, the dimensions. So that's super nice. And this was a little slow today because I was screen recording, but we're just gonna work with it. Normally it's pretty fast. So like I said, I use a completely free version. I used to use PicMonkey, but they don't have a free version of that anymore, so this is very similar. So here I'm just showing you guys all of the like pre-made ones you can use. Most of them are free. There are some you have to pay for, but I have been just fine using the free one. So what I like to do is include a picture of myself in the thumbnail. So I'll just go to upload. I think you can only upload so many pictures to use in one thing, like it's like 10 or something, but I've never had a problem with that. So here I'm just grabbing a picture of myself, and I was trying to drag it, but I think you have to just click on it. I don't know why I was doing that. So let's see. Nope. Like I said, this was a little bit slow because I was screen recording this. So I'll just grab the picture and make it the size that I want. And normally I just take up a side if you guys want to go look at some of my thumbnails. Get it all in there, right? And then the next thing I like to do is just pick a background. So they have a ton of super nice free backgrounds. You can do a solid color, which I point out right here, or they have all these super cute ones that are free. They have like leaves and just lots of really fun ones. Normally I do a solid background. I just think it looks nicer, I guess. I don't know. You guys can play around with it, of course. So I'm just trying it out. I like it to not be too clashy with whatever I'm wearing in the picture. Like these stripes were a lot going on with that dress. So I ended up picking this one. I don't know, I just thought it looked nice. So yeah, there's a ton. And then I go in to add some text. So you can add a heading, a subheading, or some body text. And you can click those and then adjust the font and all of that, or sometimes I like to go in and just find one where I like the way it looks and just only use some of it. So that's what I'm going to do first, is just find one that I like. But most of these that you guys are seeing are free, so it's super nice. And then I think I ended up, what did I do here? Adding a bit of body text. So normally in my thumbnails I like to include a little bit of what the video is about. So this one was a haul, so I just wanted to include kind of some of the things that I got. So I think I ended up putting like bridesmaid's dress, stickers, and summer clothing. So I wasn't quite sure. You know, sometimes you just gotta play around with it. So this one, I was just not feeling inspired to go through and pick a text, so I just got rid of it. And I just kept scrolling until I found a text that I liked, which just can be really fun. You can always just like make it way faster than I am, but I like to kind of take my time with it and make it, it's fun for me, I guess. So I'm just scrolling, and then I ended up clicking this one, and you guys will be able to see that I get rid of the header and the like subheader and just use the main body of it. So I'm just deleting that. There we go. And I'm going to be using the "It's Time to Celebrate" letters. So I'll just delete that, and then it keeps its formatting, as you guys can see up at the top. I have no idea how to say that font, but I was trying to figure out how to word it, what I wanted to say. And I found that sometimes with thumbnails, it's better to not say like, I found my bridesmaid's dress, but just say bridesmaid's dress. It's more to the point, I guess, and I feel like it looks better to have more concise text, if that makes sense. So apparently I spelled bridesmaids wrong, which it'll correct it, which it didn't. I mean, it was spelled the same, so I don't know what was wrong. And I mean, obviously people know it's a haul, so you can just add like what you got. You don't have to think too much into it. And then I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller, so that way I can add other text, and I ended up going smaller than 104. Like I said, you have to just play around with it. So I was like, that's still kind of big, so I just went back in. And the stuff up at the top is really similar to like Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Like, it's really easy to figure out. You can do like the spacing, bold, the color of the text, the size, all of that. The font is pretty easy to figure out. So the box that is around it goes away once you move it and you're kind of done messing with it. It's kind of up pretty far. So there's that. And then I wanted to add some more text. So what did I do here? Did I hit add heading? Yes, I did. Okay, so I think the next thing I typed was stickers, and I had my caps lock on, so that was really cute. Stickered, or stickered. So just type that. I'm going to highlight it. All of that. So I'm going to speed through this next part. I'm going to like speed it up, and then I'll talk to you guys once I have all the text on the page. Okay, so now I have all of my text on the page. I decided to go to, what is this called? Elements? Yes, Elements. And in here they have photos you can use, graphics, like just cute things you can add. So I decided to look up dress to see if I could get a cute dress to add. And I kind of just have my text thrown on there right now. I'm going to move it as I get more things on there. And it ended up not really having a dress that I like. So I ended up not putting a dress, and you'll see what I put instead. So you can search, and it comes up with all, photos, graphics, and then I think I ended up looking for a dress again. I don't know why. Let's see. I looked at dress one more time, and then I think I decided, okay, let's look at some graphics. Yep. So in here they have a lot of really like fun, what I would consider almost like stickers. So they have like spring, April Fools, and the more there are some packs that are completely free, and then the more you scroll, you'll find some where they're like mixed or that you have to completely pay for, and you can pay for them or you can get a membership. So I'm just gonna grab one of these blue things here. I thought these were super fun, and I like a lot of color in my thumbnails, I guess. I just make them, So I'm just gonna adjust this, and I end up adding another flower, so I'll just speed that up for you guys. Okay, so at this point I have everything where I want it, and I am just going to go up here to the download, and you can download it. You can do a lot of different things. normally just download it. There are some things that you have to be, like the animation, you have to be a member, and then to do it with a transparent background, you have to be a member. But I just download it as a PNG, and I can click where it goes, and when you go to export it, you get this like an inspirational quote, which is just, it's sweet. So it just prepares it, it goes right onto your laptop or computer, and it's really nice, and you just upload it to YouTube. I've never had a problem with the formatting with other websites I have. So I decided to try and look at the price for you guys, and I couldn't find it on their website. Like, they were telling me, you can try it free for 30 days. But I want to know how pricey it really was, because I have just never looked. So here I'm just saving it where I want it, and I just said continue editing, and I tried to look here, and I ended up just Googling it, and I believe it's $12.95 a month per user is how they worded it. So that's really not that bad if you guys did want to pay to have everything. So here you can see I hit upgrade, and it's like try it free for 30 days, and I was like, I just want to be able to tell people how much it is. But they did tell me that 3 days, if I do the free 30-day trial, they tell me 3 days before it ended. So I just decided to look it up for you guys, and yep, it's $12.95 per month. So that's really not that bad, but I understand if you guys are like me and you're a broke college student or high schooler. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.